Hello, my name is Frantz, and I'm from the AMPATH Network Service Web Interface Senior Project Team. In this video, I'm going to highlight some of the actions that could be performed by a network engineer on the service status website. So, as a network engineer, I want a link that will take me straight to the admin page so I can log in and go to the admin site of the website. So here in the nav bar, the network engineer can click on the admin login link, and they are directed to the system status application admin. And so here they can enter in their credentials to access the admin site. So also as a network engineer, I would like a dark mode to be able to look at the site a little bit better at night, for example. So the network engineer could come to the nav bar and toggle this dark mode button, and here they're presented with a dark mode. And so this is transparent throughout the whole site, and the colors match nicely with the dark mode. And of course I could turn off the dark mode. So also as a network engineer, I want to filter or list services by regions. So these are our services. So let's say I wanted to show the services under this region. I can do select regions, and there you see our services are filtered. And then I could reset the filter, and then we have all of the services. Okay. Also, as a network engineer, I want a filtering option for the subscription view based on regions or client domains. So when I go to manage subscriptions, I want to be able to filter the services by region. So if I click on US, you see here the services are filtered as well. And then of course I can reset the filter. So lastly, as a network engineer, I want to view the site on my mobile device and still have it look presentable. So here I'm going to show you the mobile version of the site. And so as you can see, all of the content fits nicely on the mobile scale, and then we're still able to access the navigation bar and go to the home page and still be able to perform our duties. So those are the front end actions that could be taken by a network engineer. So now I'm going to show some of the back end actions that could be performed by a network engineer on the service status website. So the network engineer is going to log in, and once they're into the system, they could see all of the models that they can edit. So as a network engineer, I want to go to services and change the scope of a service to either inter-domain or multi-domain. So for this service, it's already listed as multi-domain, but I can also change this to inter-domain. Also, as a network engineer, I want to filter the services shown to me by either by the scope, of which is inter-domain or multi-domain. So I can click on inter-domain and be shown all of the services here that are under the inter-domain scope. Okay, so going back, as a network engineer, I want to create tickets, and for those tickets, for a ticket, I want to create it based off a client domain, service, or subservices only. So let's say I want to create a ticket under this client domain. I can just click on that client domain. I don't have to mess around with any of this unless the client domain is empty. And then I can fill out the following information. And I could do test client domain, and then save it. And here you see our ticket is saved. And then this is going to be reflected into the front end application, the front end portion of the application. And there you see our client domain was added, our ticket, sorry, was added. So I can click on this ticket, and there you see all the actions under this ticket. It shows the subservices, services, and the domains. Okay, so that's going to conclude the video showing all of the actions that could be performed on the service status website. So I was able to show you the front end actions as well as the back end actions.